Well, I think the organizing effort is massive for our area right now, and I think we do it differently than other parts of the country.
San Joaquin Electric, Sun Valley.
The true different approach is that the doors are open. Wherever you come into this trade, however you have found us, we will figure out where you belong. Whether that's an entry-level apprenticeship, if that's journeyman or somewhere in between, then there's a home for you.
Working for somebody else means that somebody else is supporting you, right? They're giving you a paycheck. They're making sure that your needs are met. You got insurance, you got all those wonderful things. But when they don't, it's a huge problem. And that's a big part of why I sort of jumped from the non-union side to the union side. I saw this Facebook ad about local union 401. You know, we should talk to them. I'm like, well, give me the number. I'm gonna call. You know, and they gave me the number, and I called Lori. And it was great. It's been one of the best decisions that I've made. The team that helped us organize in continually had conversations throughout over the last year about, hey, how are you doing? What's going on? What's new? How's this job working out? How's Briggs working out? What's it like over there at the data center? It's been an ongoing relationship, you know. It feels good to be part of a family.
He's the one doing the work. He's the one showing up every day, teaching people. 401 just gave him the opportunity to feel like he has a place. And that's what he calls it. He says, you gave me a home.
It's a great opportunity, and it's just a lot of solid work. You get to do everything from lighting to security, cameras. There's just so much opportunity with data centers. And the rate in which data centers are growing and continue to grow are absolutely significant.
So Northern Nevada has become the next Silicon Valley, is what they're calling it here. Electric vehicle manufacturing, battery recycling, and the data centers continue to grow exponentially every year. Out there at the USA Parkway, the abundance of open land that they can build these facilities has really changed Northern Nevada, and I get phone calls every day of the next mega project coming in.
It's just been incredible with the amount of growth and the added jobs, the data centers that are going in full swing. 22, we had 86 field craft, and currently we're a little over 600 in the field. We've had to work with the union a lot to get all these employees, to work with the organizing effort, and they've done a tremendous job for us.
So one of the biggest things with the growth that we've had, it wouldn't be possible without our partnership with our contractors, with NECA.
Because of our wages and our benefits and our education through our apprenticeship program, we're the foundation of community building. That's how I look at it. Our people will retire in dignity.
I see the growth of this local to continue to grow each and every year as we continue to grow market share. And we could be over 2,000 members within the next 2 to 3 years.
Most local unions, after they have an explosion, a boom type of effect of growth, end up with less market share.
Why? Because they're afraid to open the doors and continue organizing for fear of drying up. When it's a boom time, you bring in absolutely every single body person that you know. Why? Because the contractors will follow you.
We need the manpower. That's how we can get them, is through the union.
We're trying to focus that we built this foundation here locally and we don't let go of it, and we pay attention to it, and we nurture it. If we don't organize up to 75% of this local market, we failed at our jobs.
Right now is probably one of the best times to be an electrician in Northern Nevada. The opportunity that we have with data centers alone, we can't get enough electricians.
The comments of, I should have done this sooner, or I didn't realize it was that easy, those moments are when I know that we've really just hit a mark with someone, when you can just see them go, okay, cool, I can just have a conversation.
I mean, if you ever thought about getting into the electrical trade or already in the electrical trade and want to get paid more, who want to be respected more, want to work on really interesting projects, now's that time.